Hi everyone, this is Needle Pointers. Buying cat toys from the cat toy aisle of the pet store can be pricey. You can save lots of money by making cat toys yourself. Cats love catnip, so make your furry friend a few catnip pillow kickers or catnip roll toys. Each roll is the perfect toy to keep your cat entertained. Once you've cut the fabric, go to the ironing board and press the short ends to the wrong side a ½ inch. Fold the fabric lengthwise with pretty sides together and pin it in place. Go to the sewing machine and with a straight stitch sew the long side together using a ½ inch seam allowance and back tacking or back stitching at the beginning and at the end. As you sew, remember to take out the pins. You now have a fabric tube. Turn the tube right side out. Line up one of the short ends. You can pin it in place so it doesn't move. And you're going to edge stitch close to the end. Again, back tack at the beginning. Don't sew over the pins. And sew this one end of the tube closed. Stuff the fabric tube with about 1 inch of stuffing. Add some dried catnip. I use about 2 tablespoons each time that I add the catnip into the roll. Put in more stuffing. This is polyester fill. I add more catnip. A little more stuffing. I like to add 3 sections of catnip to the roll. You can do whatever you'd like. And then I'll put some stuffing in the other end, about 1 inch. Now I'm going to have to leave some room so that I can sew this end closed. Okay, It's now time to go back to the sewing machine, and what you're going to do is edge stitch again along this edge to sew this end of the roll closed. As you can see, I finished up. I did run a row of straight stitches across the other end. It's now ready for the cat. This catnip filled toy is guaranteed to be a hit. Your cat will love hugging, kicking, and rolling all over the toy. Play a game of cat hide and seek by hiding the toy in a box or paper grocery bag. Watch the cat as it tries to find the toy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow Needle Pointers on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description section. Want more fun sewing projects and tutorials? Go to our website.